Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have this very beautiful heart-shaped Disney watch featuring Snow White. The watch was produced by Timex, most likely in the 90s. So a very beautiful and interesting watch. As you can see, the condition of the watch is very good. The gold tone is present all over the case. Here we have the back of the watch, as you can see, signed by Timex, and also the heart-shaped case, very interesting, also that can be found on the back. We have these very simple lugs that come off the heart, and also the watch crown is a little bit covered by the case, very interesting. We have placed the watch on a brand new blue leather watch strap, so it matches the blue on the dial. So very cool and interesting watch to own. We have a bunch of other Disney watches, most of them from Timex, so very nice selection. If you want to check them out, a link in the description below, or check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below, guys. If you enjoy this type of content, watches, vintage watches, character watches, watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, like the video, and I'm going to see you on the next one.